This is Logan with the hiccups. Did he stop? Oh, there we go.
He's just like, why did I saw it too?
Oh, you're taking a video. I thought you were taking a picture.
Yeah, way to go, McFly.